Hey guys, we're out here duck hunting with my brother-in-law Ryan McMaster, and we are mopping up on the ringnecks right now. Echo's doing okay. She got a couple, but she got a lot to learn. Little Bo's with me. Uncle Ryan. So stay tuned for Keep On Casting. Get him, Bobo. Got him, boy. Keep On Casting is brought to you by Thibodaux Regional Medical Center. Bronco Industries, leading the field in industrial construction and fabrication. Real Outfitters, proud to be the first family-owned tackle store in Thibodaux, Louisiana. Cold Echo. Shoot on him. Get him. Good girl, Echo. Good girl, Echo. Good girl. Give. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Put it up there. Nope. Don't mess with it. Good girl. Keep in place. Right up front.
Get that. Is he over there? Yeah, there. This way. Yeah, straight at one. Yeah, you see.
Get him, Echo. Coming behind you.
Here the other day, but dang. Watch these two.
Got it, boy.
A lot of wisdom. Good girl, Echo.
Good girl, Echo.
Here. Good girl.
Good girl, Echo. Good girl, Echo.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You're a good girl.
There you go, big girl. Way to go, girl. We letting the blackjacks kind of fly for now. We a couple ducks short, so we're gonna try and kill a couple of big ducks, but we're covered up in blackjacks, ringnecks.
But it's like they're willing to withstand colder weather and stay further north. Now I do think the other really big thing is, as we've always said, is the snow cover. I mean, it snowed up there, but there was still food everywhere.
Right.
On the ground. And they were utilizing the little bit of open water there was on the rivers. And like we saw them just coming in from real high one afternoon from the south, flying from the south. And I'm not so sure they hadn't just, traveled 100 miles south during that snow and ice storm up there. And then as soon as it thawed, they came right back.
Right.
And
dude, they'll move a long way in a day.
oh, they will. Oh, they'll fly. They'll fly 2 states away in a day.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Kill him.
Way to go. Way to shoot, guys.
2 mallards, finally.
Awesome.
2 mallards. Good gosh.
Touch him up.
See orange feet.
Touch him up back.
I don't know where those two
Right.
right.
Bring that big duck back.
Big mallard hen. drift opens. Good girl.
Good girl, Echo.
Heel, heel. Echo, heel. Sit.
Go get it, girl.
Oh yeah.
Look at her.
Oh yeah. She figured it out.
She figured it out.
Yeah.
She saw that duck way out there, too.
Uh-huh. Well, she's learning to look past the decoys, which that's always a bit of a challenge initially. They just won't, sometimes they just won't get outside the decoys. But nothing can replace reps picking up these birds.
No doubt.
Good girl. Two girls. Good bird. Nice.
Oh, show me them.
Oh, you like those mallards, don't you?
I don't.
You like those mallards, Echo? Haven't seen
Go
many
with
of
both
them.
sides.
Haven't seen many of them, have we?
Oh, you got the wall in the grass. Well, guys, we had a decent hunt this afternoon. So far, we had a great weekend. We got one more day. We're gonna hunt tomorrow. We're cleaning up around the blind, doing some blind etiquette. Got a little Mojo kick stick. Yeah, great time so far. We got one more hunt tomorrow morning. Stay tuned.
You know Grafton Dermatology as one of Louisiana's premier skincare and skin cancer treatment centers. Grafton Dermatology will bring your beautiful body to its healthy fullest. Grafton Dermatology provides advanced treatment for all skin conditions, repairing, healing, enhancing. Grafton Dermatology, defining healthier skin and beautiful bodies for over 15 years.
Whether your game is on the field or in the backyard, Thibodaux Regional Sports Medicine Center will help keep you safe. Winning is your priority. Your safety is ours. With advanced concussion testing technology, certified athletic trainers, and sports medicine trained physicians and therapists, we bring our A game. Because you can win it only if you're in it. Play it safe with Thibodaux Regional Sports Medicine Center, official sports medicine provider of Nichols Athletics.
Morning. We're going to go out this morning. We got a little bit of rain though, a little mist. It's supposed to end right about shooting time. Hoping for a teal swat. Get in there, get out, get these boys on the road. These on the water? Yeah. I guess we can probably get them, huh?
I think I can get them on.
Okay, let's try.
One's on the left.
Oh, you're gonna have her work cut out for. Oh, go down, buddy, go down, go down.
Here, here, good girl. Back.
Good girl.
Here I go.
Nice, good shot. Just gotta quit on us. Kill him.
Got one.
Man. Man, we must
Here I go.
we were shooting the same duck, I guess.
It's a foggy morning, so they're kind of just materializing out the fog.
Yeah.
They'll swing right over. Let's try it. Go get it, Echo.
Here. Good girl.
I thought we had another one.
I did too. I could have sworn we killed 4.
Good girl. I was up pretty close.
That bums me out. As good as they did.
Yeah.
I thought of
Here. Get him. Get him.
5 or 6 is that little wide.
Echo.
Get him.
Ooh, there's 3 more, something low right here, y'all. Coming right at us. There's spoonies. Yeah. What are these 2 driving down? Kill it. Go down, Mallard.
Get him back. Go.
Nice.
All right, Echo.
Well, we didn't put a headshot on him, but we got him down. Couple shot. Yeah. That's all right. Oh, more green in the bottom. More green in the bottom.
Come on, go. Good girl. Come on, go. Come on.
You know Grafton Dermatology as one of Louisiana's premier skincare and skin cancer treatment centers. Grafton Dermatology will bring your beautiful body to its healthy fullest. Grafton Dermatology provides advanced treatment for all skin conditions, repairing, healing, enhancing. Grafton Dermatology, defining healthier skin and beautiful bodies for over 15 years.
Whether your game is on the field or in the backyard, Thibodeau Regional Sports Medicine Center will help keep you safe. Winning is your priority. Your safety is ours. With advanced concussion testing technology, certified athletic trainers, and sports medicine trained physicians and therapists, we bring our A game. Because you can win it only if you're in it. Play it safe with Thibodeau Regional Sports Medicine Center, official sports medicine provider of Nichols Athletics.
Welcome to Keep On Casting, folks. I'm up early this morning, and we're gonna make a Mississippi pork tenderloin. So I've got 2 tenderloins. I actually took the silver skin off of one. So the silver skin is just the fascia, or the kind of tendinous layer that overlies the outside of this tenderloin, keeps that muscle kind of bound down. And you just gotta kind of get underneath it. We do this with ribs too. Once you get underneath it, you can grab it with a paper towel and just kind of pull it off. And the reason you're getting that off is so when we make this, it all kind of melts together. And shreds really easily without this skin, silver skin messing it up. So I'm just throwing this in the crock pot. It calls for a 6-quart crock pot. So I had to run back to the store to get some of these peppers. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that, but in the pepper section. We've got some ranch dressing and some olive juice, gravy. This is 1 stick of butter, which we're out of butter, but we do have a turkey sculpted butter. So we're gonna take 1 pack of the ranch dressing. We've got that tenderloins in here with the silver skin off. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 pack of ranch. It's all gonna get mixed together anyway. 1 pack of McCormick's all juice. Then it calls for 6 of these little unpronounceable cherry pepper things. Leave the leaves out. 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it says to add half of the juice. So we're gonna guess on that. A little bit more. That'll be about right. And all you do is put this on low in a crock pot or whatever kind of low heat cooker you got. We're gonna cook this 10 hours. And that's it, really easy. We'll show you the finished result. Stay tuned. All right guys, we finished our pulled pork. Got it out the slow cooker, which is actually a fast cooker. This is it. We shredded it up. This is it with the peppers in it. Take a little, put that over some mashed potatoes, or you can make a slider out of it. I'll do the tasting myself. Very good. Y'all try this at home. It's an easy recipe. Slow cooker, fast cooker. Until next time, go on Castin.
You know Grafton Dermatology as one of Louisiana's premier skincare and skin cancer treatment centers. Grafton Dermatology will bring your beautiful body to its healthy fullest. Grafton Dermatology provides advanced treatment for all skin conditions, repairing, healing, enhancing. Grafton Dermatology, defining healthier skin and beautiful bodies for over 15 years.
Whether your game is on the field or in the backyard, Thibodeau Regional Sports Medicine Center will help keep you safe. Winning is your priority. Your safety is ours. With advanced concussion testing technology, certified athletic trainers, and sports medicine trained physicians and therapists, we bring our A game. Because you can win it only if you're in it. Play it safe with Thibodeau Regional Sports Medicine Center, official sports medicine provider of Nichols Athletics.
Like babysitting.
I'm only gonna call it on the 2 if they're in the decoys,
Yeah, that's cool.
or we can kill 3 or 4. Let's try.
Good shooting, guys.
Yeah. See all the birds that are down back here?
Oh yeah.
Oh, push him up, Echo!
Let's kind of want to get them.
Here.
Dude, the birds are moving good today.
They really are.
Here.
I'm a little surprised. A little worried early.
Nice pintail.
Get him. Go here.
We got that other pintail down way out front that
Hey, so here.
I'll probably pick up later. Need to.
Stay right there, Echo. Echo, in the kennel.
Echo, kill him.
Get in your house. Echo, get him.
Good girl.
Good girl.
many we got, little bud?
Uh,
You gotta be coming up on 12,
yeah,
13, 14, something.
something like that. I'll call him real quick after. Throw these last couple.
Let's see where we stand. Yeah, I think, yeah, I think well, we'll be close. Closer than I think.
So, got 3 on this one. Three, 6, 9, 10, 12, and 14.
All right, 4 more.
All right.
I think we can do it, I think. Those last few, they're always the hardest.
That's when you make that final count that you screw up.
Yeah. Tell you what, about 8:30, I go ahead and get the buggy.
Yeah.
About 15 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, we can wait till you get back. Right there.
At this point, they're gonna be shot too.
All morning. Come on, Kennel. 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 Come on. Come on. Echo. Kennel. She don't like this little thing. Stay. 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 She don't like this little blind thing. Oh, there's a big duck up top. Hit your hail call. All right, y'all.
Echo, get back.
Here.
Not going down earlier. That's a spoonie. Yeah, got him, bro. Good one.
Here I go. Choo. That second shot did it.
Yeah.
Here I go.
Go get him, Echo.
I don't know who hit him, but that bird just got smoked. I think we both did, to be honest. Catch him up! Here! Here! Here I go!
Come on, Echo. Good girl, good girl.
Here! Come on!
Right here, Bo, right here.
Get him! Get him! Stay. Stay. Hey, 2 spoonies to
Smoke them.
push out or expand the limit.
Oh, yeah. Thought you said 2 were coming in.
No, just to get us a few extra birds on the strap. Yeah.
We got him.
Y'all finish them?
I
Yeah.
hit this one.
Y'all killed some of those teal just then?
Dude. Yeah.
Nice.
We both shot the same one again. He
Yeah.
said he definitely shot it.
Y'all finished with 4 more?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Okay. Yeah. They got in here right, huh?
Yeah.
Takes a little bit, but it sure is worth it when the blinds
Dude, that thing is nice.
clean and dry, man.
Well, guys, we had a great time out here. Killed some nice ducks. Today was a good day. I want to thank Uncle Ron, Rod Master.
Man.
As always, a great time, man.
Glad to have y'all.
Well, Diddley, glad to have you out here hustling. And Echo, you did good, girl.
As always, we want to thank our troops. Without y'all, we couldn't do what we're doing here today. And until next time,
Keep on casting.
Oui, moi je danse avec les filles. Oui, c'est juste pour m'amuser. Je bois le bon Red Stripe pour me rafraîchir. Moi l'aime les fées dodo, puis moi l'aime les haricots. C'est ça qu'on appelle la joie de vivre. Et quand je me sens paré, je connais ailleurs moi je peux aller. Pour boire un coup avec tous mes amis. Je suis gonna love the moon. C'est le club d'être à la Fayette. Je suis gonna love the moon. Je suis gonna love the moon. C'est pour